Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Maths Student Workbook Volume 1. Today we will start as 2 of Block 6 on page number 28. Today's date is 13th of August 2020. S2 is finding factors using multiplication. We have to find out the factors. That means given number in which table come. Okay. Question 1. Fill in the missing multiplication fact. That means we have a missing number here and we have to find out that. We have to speak a table of 6. The number should come 48. The number should come 48. We will speak table of 6 till then the number come 48. Okay. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 6 ja 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. 6 8 ja 48. That means if we will speak table of 6 till 8, what number we will got? 48. 6 8 ja 48. Okay. Now B. What number will come here? The product will come 90. That means we have to speak table of 9 till the number come 90. जब तक 90 नंबर नहीं आ जाता तब तक till then we have to speak table of 9. Okay, so 9 10 ja 90. If we will speak table of 9 till 10, we got number 90. So 9 10 ja 90. Okay, next question number 2. Use multiplication to find all factors. That means we have to find out the given number in which table come. The given number in which tables come. कौन कौन से टेबल में ये नंबर आता है. Okay, and factor pair of the given number. What is the mean of factor pair? Factor pair means two numbers that are multiplied by each other. That means we have to find out two numbers that will called pairs. Factor pairs. Okay. A 30. Now we have to find out the number 30 in which table come. Okay. कौन कौन से टेबल में number 30 आता है. Okay. In table of 1, yes. In table of 2, 2 15 ja 30. In table of 10 also come. In table of 3 also come. Yes. 3 10 ja 30. Like, and we have to find out in table of 4 30 come. No. In table of 5, yes. 5 6 ja 30. And in table of 6, in table of 6 also come 30. Yes. 6 5 ja 30. Okay. In table of 7, नो 7 की टेबल में 30 नहीं आता. इन टेबल ऑफ 8, नो 9, नो 10, यस. इन टेबल ऑफ 10 30 कम. ओके. 10 3 जा 30. ओके. इन टेबल ऑफ 30 also 30 come. So we will write here. We have missing this one. 31 ja 30. Okay. So factors of 30. Factors of 30. Factors means the number we have to write which in which table comes 30. 30 की टेबल में जो जो नंबर आता है, सॉरी जिन नंबर्स में 30 आता है टेबल में, दैट वी विल राइट. दैट मीन्स 1 इज फैक्टर ऑफ 30. 30 कम इन टेबल ऑफ 1. 30 कम इन टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 की टेबल में 30 आता है. यस. 3 की टेबल में, यस. 3 10 जा 30. यस. 3 इज ऑल्सो फैक्टर ऑफ 30. 5 ऑल्सो. 6 10 and 15 also one number that come 30. In come 30. So we will write here 15 to the 30. 15 to the 30, because in table of 15 also 30 come. Okay, so 15 also 15 and the number itself 30 also. Okay, the factor of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. That means in all numbers we got the 30. इन सब नंबर में 30 आता है इन सब की टेबल में. Okay, factor pairs means also like this: 1 multiplied by 30, 2 multiplied by 15. These are factor pairs. That means we have two numbers here. Factor pairs means we have two numbers here. Okay, so these are factor pairs. We don't have need to write here. Okay, these are all factor pairs. 10 and 3 and 10 also factor pair. Two numbers will called factor pair. Okay, now come on B. 36. Okay, 1 in table of 136 come. Yes, if we will speak till 36 time, then we will got 36. Yes, and 2 in table of 2 36 come. Yes, 2 18 ja 36. 2 18 ja 36. Very good. 3 in table of 3 36 come. Yes, 36 also come. But how many time we will speak table of 3? Yes, 12 time. 3 12 ja 36. Okay, next in table of 4 also come 36. Yes, how much time we will speak? Yes, how much time we will speak, students? Yes, 9 4 ja, yeah, 4 9 ja 36. If we will speak table of 4 till 9 time, then 36 will come. That means in table of 4 also 36 come. Okay, 6 in table of 6 also come 36. Yes, speak table. 6 6 ja 36. Students, you have to learn all tables. Okay, till 15. Now 9 4 ja 36. 9 4 ja 36. In table of 9 also 36 come. Yes. Okay. In table of 10, no. In table of 11 36 not come. In table of 12, yes. In table of 12 36 also come. Okay, how many time we will speak table of 12? Yes, 3 time. 12 3s are 36. 18 in table of 18 also come. Yes, 18 2s are 36. And in table of 36 की टेबल में आएगा. We will speak table of 36 for one time. Okay, so 36 1 ja 36. Okay, now factors are, that means these are factors. In these tables we got the 36. इन सब टेबल में 36 आता है. That means these are factors of 36. Now 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Okay, these number are factors of 36. That means in all numbers, in table of all numbers we got 36. Next,